I'll be talking about the properties of water. As we all know, water is essential to all living things, and it covers 71% of the Earth's surface and makes up about 70% of the human body. Water, also known as H2O, is made of 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. The oxygen and hydrogens they have a polar covalent bond, which is responsible for water's cohesive properties. The bond between 2 water molecules is called the hydrogen bond, and the delta positive on the hydrogen is attracted to the delta negative on the oxygen of the other water molecule. So this bond causes cohesive forces and results in water's high surface tension. Water's thermal properties. Water has high specific heat capacity, and it takes more energy to change the temperature of water. This means that water can absorb a lot of heat before changing temperatures, and it can maintain a stable temperature in pond or lake or ocean habitats. And the animals that live in these habitats waste less energy trying to maintain thermal regulation. Water also has high specific heat capacity. So water can absorb a lot of heat when it evaporates or changes from a liquid to gas form. So heat from the body is used to turn sweat from liquid to gas, which in turn lowers the heat of the organism and is equivalent via sweating. Water's solvent properties. Water is known as a universal solvent, and this is because the polarity of the water molecule enables it to dissolve other biochemically important polar molecules. So one example of this is sodium chloride, or table salt in water. It dissolves in water because the chloride is attracted to the slightly positive hydrogen, while the sodium is attracted to the slightly negative. Water also has cohesive properties. So water molecules are attracted to each other due to polar covalent bonding, and the water can be used as a medium for metabolic reactions or transport of dissolved substances. In animals, metabolic reactions such as respiration takes place in cytoplasms, which are primarily made of water. Blood, also primarily made of water, is used to transport nutrients around the cell or around the body of the organism. And the carbon dioxide produced from respiration can also be transported in the blood as hydrogen carbonate ions. Water molecules are also attracted to each other due to polar covalent bonding. So because electrons are negative, they are attracted to the oxygen, leaving the oxygen with a slightly negative charge and the hydrogens with a slightly positive charge. And these hydrogen bonds in water cause it to have high surface tension, as shown in the picture here. And it enables insects like pond skaters or Girardiidae to live in such habitats. The other properties of water. The density of water varies according to temperature. Unlike most other liquids in which their solid forms are denser than the liquid forms, ice has a lower density compared to water. Water is also transparent, which is advantageous for predators in the water. Stop looking at me like